about what makes Prague a must-visit in 2025. Why are there not more people talking about Prague, the golden city of 100 spires? Hello, welcome to Prague. Did you know that Prague's astronomical clock is the third oldest in the world and still operational? Let's exploring the heart of Prague together. And here's another fun fact. Prague is home to the largest ancient castle in the world. So grab your walking shoes, pack your sense of adventure, and get ready to fall in love with Prague, one cobblestone at a time. Alright, we're starting our journey on the Charles Bridge, the oldest bridge in Prague. Built in the 14th century, this bridge isn't just a way to cross the Vltava River, it's a journey back in time. Look at those magnificent Gothic towers on either end. For centuries, this was the only bridge connecting the old town to Prague Castle. Today, the bridge is a lively mix of street performers, vendors selling local crafts, and visitors from all over the world. As you walk, notice the Baroque statues lining the bridge. See if you can find the statue of John of Nepomuk. Legend has it, touching it brings good luck. Dominating the Prague skyline is Prague Castle, the largest ancient castle complex in the world. This sprawling complex isn't just one castle. It's a collection of palaces, churches, gardens, and historical buildings, each with its own story to tell. Inside, you'll be dazzled by the magnificent St. Vitus Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Don't miss the charming Golden Lane, a narrow street lined with tiny, colorful houses. Take a break in the peaceful palace gardens, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the city below. Prague Castle is a testament to the city's rich history and a must-see for any visitor. Did you know there is a castle in Prague with a church so epic kings and queens are buried there? I am talking about St. Vitus Cathedral, the heart of Prague Castle and a Gothic masterpiece that's been watching over the Czech Republic for centuries. This isn't just any church, it's the largest in the country and its spires dominate Prague's skyline like something straight out of a fairy tale. It started in 1344 and completed in 1929. St. Vitus tells the story of Prague through its stunning stained glass. A mind-blowing mosaic of the Last Judgment and the tombs of saints and royals. Imagine walking through those massive doors looking up to see lights pouring through the windows that tell tales from the history of Bohemia itself. And here is a kicker: within its walls you will find the Czech crown jewels, some of the most heavily guarded treasures in the world. But it's not just about what's inside the cathedral's architecture. With its buttresses and gargoyles is a Gothic architecture class by itself. St. Vitus Cathedral is more than just a church. It's a symbol of Prague's resilience, artistry, and enduring spirit. The cathedral continues to inspire and captivate all who visit. The Prague Astronomical Clock, a medieval marvel. Standing tall in Old Town Square is the Astronomical Clock, a masterpiece of medieval engineering and a true icon of Prague. This clock has been keeping time for over 600 years, captivating visitors with its intricate design and hourly spectacle. Every hour, on the hour, the clock puts on a show. Watch as the figures of the 12 apostles appear in the windows above the clock face, each one representing a different hour. Below the astronomical dial, you'll find the calendar dial, depicting the months of the year and the signs of the zodiac. The astronomical clock is a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of medieval Prague. The Wenceslas Square, the heart of modern Prague. Now let's leave the medieval charm behind for a bit and step into the bustling energy of Wenceslas Square, the commercial and cultural heart of modern Prague. This long, wide boulevard is more of a square in name only, but it's a hub of activity day and night. Wenceslas Square has been the stage for many historical events, from celebrations to demonstrations. Today, the square is lined with shops, department stores, hotels, restaurants, and nightclubs. At the top of the square, you'll find the impressive National Museum, a neo-Renaissance masterpiece housing an extensive collection of Czech history and art. Wenceslas Square is a place to experience the energy and diversity of modern Prague. The Dancing House, a modern icon. Get ready for something completely different. Nestled along the Vltava River is the Dancing House, a whimsical and controversial example of modern architecture. The Dancing House, also known as Fred and Ginger after the famous dancing duo, consists of two towers that seem to be locked in a perpetual dance. Step inside and head to the top floor for stunning panoramic views of Prague Castle and the river. The view from here offers a unique perspective of the city, showcasing the juxtaposition of old and new. Whether you love it or hate it, the Dancing House is a must-see for any visitor to Prague. This is going to blow your mind. Did you know that Franz Kafka, one of the most influential writers of the 20th century, was born and raised right here in Prague? Our next stop is a modern art piece that pays homage to one of Prague's most famous literary figures, Franz Kafka. Located in the heart of the city, this remarkable statue is a tribute to the famous writer, designed by the talented artist Jaroslav Rona. Standing at an impressive 3.75 meters tall, the statue depicts Kafka riding on the shoulders of a headless figure, a striking representation that captures the surreal and existential themes present in his works. This unique sculpture is a must-see for any visitor to Prague, offering a glimpse into the city's rich cultural and literary heritage. As you stand before this modern masterpiece, take a moment to reflect on the profound influence of Kafka's writing and the enduring legacy he left behind. Nestled along the banks of the Vltava River stands a neo-Renaissance architectural gem, the Rudolfinum. This iconic building is home to the Czech Philharmonic Orchestra and is a must-visit for music and architecture enthusiasts alike. Its grand concert hall, Dvorak Hall, is renowned for its exceptional acoustics and stunning interior. Whether you're attending a concert or simply admiring the building's exterior, the Rudolfinum is a testament to Prague's rich cultural heritage. As you gaze upon this magnificent structure, let the harmonious blend of architectural beauty and musical legacy sweep you into the heart of Prague's vibrant cultural scene. Prague Metronome, a giant functional metronome, stands in Letna Park. Erected in 1991 on the plinth left vacant by the removal of the massive Stalin monument, this striking installation symbolizes the passage of time and the city's dynamic history. Visitors can enjoy panoramic views of Prague from this spot, making it a popular destination for both tourists and locals. The metronome's rhythmic motion serves as a poignant reminder of the city's ever-changing nature and its resilience through the ages. Take a moment to appreciate this unique blend of art and history, and let the steady ticking of the metronome transport you through the chapters of Prague's storied past. Now it's your turn to experience the wonders of this incredible city. Book that flight, pack your sense of adventure, and get ready for an experience you'll never forget. Prague is waiting for you. For now, hit that subscribe button so you do not miss out on our next adventure, and do not forget to like and share this video.